Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we'll do a quick review on Writesonic. Now Writesonic claims to be a 24/7 AI team for SEO content and generative engine optimization. So it is an AI powered writing platform that offers a diverse suite of tools to streamline content creation for various needs. Its core features revolve around generating high quality, engaging and SEO friendly text efficiently. Its key features include AI article and blog writing, paraphrasing tool and text expander or summarizer, so if you want to expand or summarize. It has copywriting tools, SEO tools, it has social media tools, Writesonic, which is an AI chat assistant designed for marketing tasks, capable of real-time data analysis, content generation, and integration with marketing tools. It also has Botonic, a no-code AI chatbot builder for creating custom chatbots for websites. It has additional writing tools that include generators for email scripts, personal bios, company mission statements, and more. It has AI art generator, brand voice customization, and multilingual support. So overall, Writesonic aims to be a comprehensive AI solution for content creation and marketing. It offers tools for generating, optimizing, and publishing various types of written and visual content. To want to know more, go to Writesonic.com. You can request a demo, sign in, or get started for free. You can also talk to sales.